Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Kia K5 GT line all-wheel drive. I'm going to make the exterior shots very brief because it's very cold and windy today. Total price of $30,820. Oh. It is brutally cold out there. Let me go ahead and pull the car forward. There we go. All right. Nice panoramic sunroof. So, of course, I've driven probably 4 or 5 of the front wheel drive. This is my first time in the all-wheel drive. What is the difference? That is a very good question. That was very apparent the first time I started driving it. I don't think they upped the power. I think it's still right about 190 horsepower, which is not a lot in the grand scheme of things. But once you get rid of any of the traction issues, it's phenomenal. As with any turbocharged motor, the torque is amazing. However, when you go to start off, you have your wheels turned and you need to floor it to get in front of a car, you're gonna realize pretty quick that even 190 horsepower with the torque it produces, you can spin the front tires super easily. With the all-wheel drive, all it does is just claw out of a corner, hooks and books. On top of that, once you start doing some tight corners, some handling, it just claws its way around corners. Unlike any other mid-size sedan, it is just that good. With the all-wheel drive, you also get Sirius Xm Radio. Very nice addition. I know with the front drive GT line, you can't get it. Either that or it's an expensive option. I forget which one. But upgrade to the all-wheel drive and you get that. With a pothole there. Jeez. It's like a mini autocross now. I'm gonna use that today. That's awesome. Like a little mini autocross course. You can see it's just really nimble. Nice and easy to place on the road. it's just such a huge step up from the Optima. I don't think you could get the Optima in all-wheel drive. So this is the first for the K5 Optima. Do keep wind noise kind of with a grain of salt today due to the high gusts we have. Brakes are, they're phenomenal. Keep in mind this is the GT line. We have not yet received a GT K5 with its 290 horsepower or something like that. It's pretty absurd. So as you can see, enabled is your kind of steering assist. It's not going to steer you for big, long, sweeping corners or tight hairpins or anything like that. It's designed for highway travel, stuff like that, as an assist. It's not designed to replace your inputs. Because of course, if the lane lines aren't marked well, stuff like that, it's not going to read them very well. Yes. Overall, it's a very good system, and it does work extremely well, especially for the price point too. Now, if you were to drive the front drive and then the all-wheel drive, you could 100% feel the difference. It's one of those things where I've always felt in tune with the car, kind of being able to sense what's going on. And driving a rear-wheel drive car daily, I can definitely feel the rear pushing the car forward. No understeer. I mean, it's there at the limit, but it's definitely minimalized with the all-wheel drive. So like, this is what I'm talking about. You do that with the front-wheel drive, and you're gonna spin tires all day. That, it just turned and hooked. It is absolutely awesome. Now, I am 99% sure this is a front biased system, with the all-wheel drive being on the fly. It's not a full-time all-wheel drive system, so once it detects that you might need the aided traction from the rear, like in snow, high-performance situations, stuff like that, it's gonna put the power to the rear wheels. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.